Dear aspirants, we are here again with our next practice set. The exam session is currently ongoing. Our best wishes for all of you. These 40 questions are prepared following the question pattern. I hope these practice sets will be helpful in your preparation. Now, without delay, let's start. Which of the following rivers does not form a delta? Ganga, Godavari, Mahanadi, Tapi. And the answer is Tapi. So delta is formed when river deposits sediments at its mouth, typically where it meets either sea or lake. Now this Tapi river does not form a delta because it flows into the Gulf of Khambat with a narrow estuary. So therefore it lacks the conditions for delta formation due to its steep gradient and tidal influence. The term Doab refers to a desert region, a plateau, land between two rivers, coastal plains. And the answer is land between two rivers. The Doab is a term that is derived from Persian, meaning two waters, and refers to the land between two converging rivers. In India, it commonly used for fertile region between Ganga and Yamuna rivers. The Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadri Hills, Nilgiris, Annamalai Hills, Aravallis, and the answer is Sahyadri Hills. Which of the following is not a tributary of Ganga? Yamuna, Son, Chambal, Ghagra, and the answer is Chambal. So Ganga river has several tributaries including Yamuna, Son, Ghagra, and Chambal is the tributary of Yamuna actually. The Blue Mountain refers to which hills? Nilgiris, Annamalai, Kadamam Hills, Eastern Ghats. And the answer is Nilgiris. So the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu and Kerala are known as the Blue Mountain due to its bluish haze created by the eucalyptus trees and the atmospheric effect, giving them a distinct appearance. Which fort is known as the gateway of South India? Chennai, Tuticorin, Ennore, Cochin. And the answer is Chennai. The famous traveler Ibn Battuta visited India during the reign of Alauddin Khilji, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta is a Moroccan traveler who visited India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, where he served as a judge and documented his experiences in his travelogue, the Riala. The language of administration under the Delhi Sultanate was Arabic, Sanskrit, Urdu, Persian. And the answer is Persian. So Persian was the official language of administration under the Delhi Sultanate, introduced by the rulers and used in governance, literature, and court proceedings. The Battle of Khanwa, 1527, was fought between Babur and options are Ibrahim Lodi, Rana Sanga, Sher Shah, Himu, and the answer is Rana Sanga. The Battle of Khanwa in 1527 was fought between Babur, the founder of the Mughal Empire, and Rana Sanga, the Rajput ruler of Mewar, resulting in a decisive victory for Babur. Which Mughal ruler annexed Golconda and Bijapur? Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb? And the answer is Aurangzeb. Shivaji was coronated at Raigad in the year 1664, 1674, 1680, 1670. And the answer is 1674. Shivaji, the founder of the Maratha Empire, was coronated as Chhatrapati on June 6, 1674 at Raigad Fort, marking the establishment of Maratha sovereignty. Which article provides for the appointment of the governor? Article 153, Article 155, Article 161, Article 170. And the answer is Article 155. Article 155 of the Indian Constitution deals with the appointment of the governor of a state by President of India, outlining the process and authority. Which fundamental right is available only to citizens and not foreigners? Right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to freedom, cultural and educational rights. And the answer is cultural and educational rights. The right to freedom of cultural and educational rights, that is Article 29 and Article 30, is exclusively for Indian citizens, protecting their cultural and educational rights, unlike other rights available to all persons. Which of the following is not a feature of Indian Constitution? Parliamentary government, presidential government, federal system, fundamental rights. And the answer is presidential government. The main aim of demonetization in India was control black money, increase exports, reduce inflation, increase government revenue. The answer is control black money. Demonetization in India, notably in 2016, aimed to curb black money, reduce corruption, and eliminate fake currency by invalidating high value currency notes. Which Indian state has the largest forest cover by area? Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in India, accounting for a significant portion of the country's total forest area as per the India's State of Forest Report. The Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri was built by Akbar for royal entertainment, military discussions, religious debates, women's education. And the answer is religious debates. Guru Arjan Dev was executed during the reign of Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. And the answer is Jahangir. Guru Arjan Dev, the fifth Guru of Sikhism, was executed by Mughal Emperor Jahangir. He was martyred in 1606 for his refusal to convert to Islam and for including Islamic and Hindu references in the Adi Granth. Which of the following is an example of public good? Education, healthcare, national defense, food. And the answer is national defense. A public good like national defense is non-excludable and non-rivalrous, meaning it benefits all citizens and one person's use does not reduce its availability to others. The residuary powers are vested in states, presidents, parliament, Supreme Court. The answer is parliament. Which institution provides structural adjustment programs to countries? UNESCO, IMF, WTO, UNDP. And the answer is IMF. So the World Bank provides structural adjustment programs to support economic reforms and development in member countries, often in collaboration with the IMF. Which of the following is not included in the calculation of GDP? Production of goods and services, sale of used goods, government services, net exports. And the answer is sale of used goods. In national income accounting, the sale of used goods is not included as it does not reflect new economic activity unlike production, government spendings, and net exports. Which acid is known as the oil of vitriol? Nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid. The answer is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid historically is known as oil of vitriol due to its oily appearance and was originally derived from the mineral vitriol, that is iron sulfate. Which gas is released when an acid reacts with metal? Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The answer is hydrogen. When an acid reacts with a metal, hydrogen gas is released as byproduct, forming a salt and hydrogen gas. Example is HCl plus Zn equals ZnCl2 plus H2. Which catalyst is used in the Haber process? Copper, platinum, iron, nickel. And the answer is iron. Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? Combustion, respiration, photosynthesis, neutralization. And the answer is photosynthesis. It is an endothermic reaction requiring energy from sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Which of the following is a genetic disorder? Typhoid, tuberculosis, hemophilia, malaria. The answer is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder caused by mutation in genes responsible for blood clotting, unlike typhoid, tuberculosis, and malaria, which are infectious diseases. Which part of the brain controls voluntary actions? Cerebrum, medulla, thalamus. The answer is cerebrum. Which organ secretes bile? Pancreas, liver, gallbladder, kidney. The answer is liver. The liver produces bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats, and it is stored in the gallbladder before it releases into the small intestine. A body will float in liquid if its density is greater than that of the liquid, its mass is equal to the mass of the liquid displaced, its density is less than that of the liquid, it has a hollow shape. And the answer is its density is less than that of the liquid. So a body floats in the liquid if its density is less than that of the liquid based on the Archimedes principle, which states that the buoyant force equals the weight of the displaced liquid. Who discovered the photoelectric effect? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Max Planck. And for this question's answer, you will write it in the comment section. A transformer works on the principle of electrostatics, electromagnetic induction, thermodynamics, resistance. And the answer is electromagnetic induction. The lens is used to correct myopia, that is short-sightedness, is convex, concave, cylindrical, plano-convex. The answer is concave. So myopia is corrected using concave lens which diverge light rays to focus them correctly to the retina, compensating for the elongated eye wall. India's first AI university will be set up in which state? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. The answer is Maharashtra. So India's first AI university is planned to be established in the Maharashtra, reflecting the state's focus on the technological and educational advancements. What is the name of the India's first Ayurvedic diagnostic device? Nadi Tarangini, Ayur Scan, Pulse Pro, Veda Diag. The answer is Nadi Tarangini. So Nadi Tarangini is India's first Ayurvedic diagnostic tool developed to analyze pulse patterns for health assessment based on traditional Ayurvedic principles. Who unveiled Grok 3 advanced AI chatbot? Sundar Pichai, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Mark Zuckerberg. The answer is Elon Musk. Grok 3, developed by XAI, was unveiled under the leadership of Elon Musk, the founder of the XAI, known for his contribution to the AI and technology. Where has India set up its first diabetes biobank? Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai. The answer is Chennai. So India's first diabetes biobank was established in Chennai to store biological samples for research on diabetes, a significant health concern in the region. When was Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana launched? 2000, 2011, 2017, 2019. The answer is 2000. So Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana was launched on December 25, 2000 to provide all-weather road connectivity to rural areas in India. Under PM E-Bus Seva scheme, how many E-Bus will be deployed? 30,000, 32,000, 38,000, 45,000. The answer is 38,000. Who has launched NPS Vatsalya scheme recently? PM Modi, Amit Shah, Nirmala Sitharaman, Rajnath Singh. And the answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. The NPS Vatsalya scheme aimed at providing pension benefits for children was recently launched by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to promote long-term financial security. So aspirants, this is it for today. Stay with this channel for the rest of the series. The Telegram channel link is given in the comment section. You will get a printable PDF in there. See you in the next video. Thank you.